Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Envato Elements in Photoshop. So first thing that you should do is we have to open our Envato account. So just open any of your web browser and go to the Envato Elements website. Okay, and then right here you also have my Photoshop. So next thing that we should do now is to look for an element that we can use. So I'll be using the photos. Okay, so I'm just going to download the photos right here. And you have to take note that you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access the elements in Envato. Okay, so we need this one to get the license to download their element. Okay, so just click and download, and then once you downloaded the element, we are going to open now our Photoshop. And then right here, we just have to click on new file, and then I'm just going to use the default Photoshop size right here and then just click on create. Okay, so next thing that you should do now is to simply click on the import image. So this one at the bottom center, and then click on your computer. So you just have to find or look for the photo or the elements that we have downloaded from Envato. Okay, so let me just look for this picture and then just click on open. And then once then that element or photo will now be added to Photoshop and you can start customizing this one. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.